Okay, today on the bench is the Sovol Filament Dryer SH03. I'm not real good at doing videos like this and unboxing, but there's nothing on the internet or YouTube. This is a pretty new product, so figured I would do a unboxing, maybe follow up with another video later. There was some damage to the box right here. This did come double box, so there was an external box which I've already removed it from. So let's give it a quick open here, and let's see what we got. So it looks like there's some nice edge. These are made out of plastic. Looks like pretty good packaging so far. Okay, so it looks like I have to set that piece aside, and then it looks like the whole thing is going to come out as one piece. This might be a little bit of a challenge. Let me move this box out of the way. That's all is in the box. I'm gonna put these plastic pieces. Had one of those on every corner, top and bottom. So that's how it came out of the box. Get rid of that plastic. There is the power cord and some PTFE technical support, a quick guide manual, this looks just like some more packing material. Looks like there's some desiccant trays in there. Let me see if I can bring you in a little bit closer here. I think these are Yeah, this is just a little place to put some desiccant. That's all this is. And it looks like it's got some kind of a screen. See if I can get some more light over here. So let's see here. So it looks like it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 places for PTFE tubes to come out, and it already actually has the connectors in there. So, so that's good. Let's see what else we can learn from this. Just on a quick overview. Probably should put you back on the tripod, but we'll see here if we can manage. Let's go look around the back side. There's the, couldn't get that one back in, but I think these are probably the vents. I think that's the power button and the power plug, and there's nothing on that side. So that's pretty much about it. That's a walk around unboxing, and maybe I'll do a follow-up video when I get it all hooked up and try it out. Thanks for watching.